Hey everyone, it's Mark for Windows Central, and here's a look at the Predator Helios 300 Special Edition. I think this is the first gaming laptop in white and gold. The special edition model of the Predator Helios 300 has an all-white aluminum body with gold trim. It has a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with an upgraded 144Hz refresh rate. It's powered by up to an 8th gen Intel Core i7 Plus processor, overclockable GeForce GTX 1060 graphics, up to 512 gigs PCIe SSD, and up to 2 TB hard disk drive. It also has up to 16 gigs of DDR4 memory and is upgradable to 32 gigs. Thermals are very important to Acer, and you can see that by the large vents on this laptop. There are two of Acer's ultra-thin, all-metal AeroBlade 3D fans designed to keep the system cool. You can manually control these fans by using the Predator Sense app, which offers 3 modes optimized for gaming, productivity, or web browsing. Acer also made accessories to match the special edition model. There are white and gold gaming mouse, headset, and even a backpack. We don't have the details for exact pricing and availability for the special edition Predator Helios 300, but for comparison, the original model cost $1,399. Alright, let us know what you think in the comments. Would you like to see more white and gold gaming laptops? Let us know. I'm Mark for Windows Central. Thanks for watching.